and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 6th lesson of D3 chapter number 1 exercise 1b, that is about solution of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. In this lesson we'll be discussing basic level question number 2, and question 2 says that solve the following equations, and C part is 8x square equals to 3x plus 6. Okay, recall my previous lesson that in order to solve any quadratic equation either by quadratic formula or completing square or midterm breakage method or the quadratic formula, you have to check whether the given equation is written in standard form or not. As this question is 8x square equals to 3x plus 6. In order to write this equation in standard form, I have to shift this 3x and 6 to other side, and right side hand side must be equal to 0. So let's first write this equation in standard form, okay, by shifting 3x plus 6 to other side. So equation will take the form 8x square minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Now my right hand side is equal to 0, and on the left hand side the square term is in the beginning, then the term of the variable having power 1 and then constant. So the equation is in standard form. After that, what we have to do, we have to solve this equation by using formula. So what we will be doing, that we will be comparing the given equation by ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and look, a is the coefficient of square term, so a of the equation is 8, b is minus 3, and c is minus 6. Now quickly what we have to do, we have to replace the values in the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus and b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, then I have to divide this whole expression by 2a, and that 2a must be written in the middle of the fraction. Okay, now it's a time to replace the values. Minus, and b is already negative, b minus 3, and plus minus b square minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 8 and c is minus 6 upon 2a, and value of a is 8, 2 multiplied by 8. Okay, now carefully apply the rule of integers, that minus multiplied by minus will be positive, and then the square of the negative number will also be positive. These are the common errors and mistakes which the students often commit. So I'm repeatedly telling it to my students to avoid these things, and they have to be careful about these all points. This will become 3 plus minus, and this is 3 square is 9, and again minus multiplied by minus will become positive, and then I have to multiply 4, 8 and 6. 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 6, 192, okay, divided by 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, let me reconfirm this. This is 6 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4, 192 plus 9, and this is 201. 3 plus minus 201 by 16, and now we have to check the square root of 201 with the help of calculator, and the equation takes the form 3 plus minus 14.1 and 7777 and 4. Okay, let me reassure this, 774 by 16, and then what we have to do, we have to go for either x equals to 3 plus 14.1774 by 16 or x equals to 3 minus 14.1774 by 16. Okay, and now 14 plus 3 is 17. 3 plus 14.177 and 4. This gives me 17.1774 by 16, and when I will divide this value by 16, I will get answer 1.073. So it will be 1.07 to the nearest 3 significant figures. And coming to the second solution, here 3 minus 14.3 minus 14.1774, and this gives me minus 11.1774 divided by 16. Now divide this answer by 16, and this gives me x equals to minus 0.6985. So 6985. So this is equal to minus 0.699. Okay, so the two solutions are either 1.07 or minus 0.699. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question. And first let me compare my question with the given question in the book. The second part, the next part is 4x square minus 7 equals to 2x. The question is correct. Look at the question carefully, students. The question is not written in standard form. This term must be shifted towards other side by changing the sign. So first of all, write down the equation in standard form. Minus 2x minus 7 equals to 0. And now the given equation is transformed and changed into standard form. Now what we have to do is we have to compare this equation by ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A of the question is 4. A equals to 4. B equals to minus 2 and C equals to minus 7. And now it's the time to write down quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, okay, minus b. Minus sign, this minus sign is due to the formula, and b has the negative value, so I'm inserting the value. And then what we have to do, minus 2 square minus 4 into a is again 4 and c is minus 7. Okay, let me make it a little more fine, upon 2a. Okay, 2 times 4. So we should not forget the role of integers. Okay, and be careful about this factor as well, because the square of the number, whether that is negative or positive, will be positive. So it will take the form x equals to 2 plus minus, these are the common errors, so we have to avoid them, 4, and then minus multiplied by minus will become positive, and 16 multiplied by 7. 16 multiplied by 7 is 112 upon 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, now the equation will take the form 2 plus minus 112 plus 4 is 116. 116 by 8. And now what we have to do check value of square root 116, and this is 2 plus minus 10.7703, 10.7703 upon 8. and then what we have to do, we have to go for either or condition. Either x will be equal to 2 plus 10.7703, yes, by 8, or x will be equal to 2 minus 10.7703 by 8. Okay, when 2 will be added to 10, it will become 12.7703 by 8. And now hold your calculator. 12.7703 divided by 8, and this gives me 1.596. okay, or I have to give my answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so it will be 1.59, okay, 6, or I can take it as 1.60, okay. And then coming to the second part, x equals to 2 minus 10.7703, and this is minus 8.7703 by 8. Divide this value by 8 carefully, and I'm getting the answer x equals to minus 1.09. okay, 1.09, or if I can leave this answer in this way, or what we can do is that we can make it minus 1.1. so the two solutions are x equals to 1.60 or minus 1.10, minus 1.10, 1.60 or minus 1.10. I hope you are clear about today's class. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.